In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Mercado Pago wallet, so you can transfer your balance to your bank account. Step 1. Open the Mercado Pago app. Launch the Mercado Pago app on your smartphone. Step 2. Access your balance. On the home screen, tap on your balance to view your available funds. Step 3. Initiate a withdrawal. Tap on Withdraw or Retirer, depending on your language settings. Step 4. Select Withdrawal Method. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. Bank transfer. Enter your bank account details. Mercado Credito. If available, you can transfer to your Mercado Credito account. Step 5. Confirm and complete. Review the details and confirm the withdrawal. The transfer time may vary depending on the method chosen. Important notes. Withdrawal fees. Be aware that certain withdrawal methods may incur fees. Processing time. Bank transfers may take 1 to 3 business days to process. Currency availability. Ensure that your bank supports the currency of your Mercado Pago account. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Mercado Pago tips and tutorials.